Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust press speed on your AirPods 4. Let's get started. So as a first step, make sure that your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and then open settings. As a next step, we would need to go to this tab with the name of your earbuds and scroll down until you will find this tab which is named accessibility. And here as a first thing we can see the press speed. As you can see, currently it's on the slowest one because I was testing it before. So let me explain the difference, just the delay between you pressing and something happening on your phone. For example, you are trying to play or pause the song, will happen slower. We have here options slower and slowest, and they also have difference between each other because this one is just slightly slower than the default one, and the slowest one has a big delay between the pressing and happening. So this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.